Here we have a juvenile Hadronochelys infensa. Hopefully we'll get to see it eat a cricket. I'm sure it will. It loves to eat crickets. Go the other way, cricket. Sorry for the camera shakiness. It's hard to do this one-handed. Maybe they're friends. Oh, wait, nope. Maybe they're not friends. Oh, look at that pretty spider. Pretty darn cool. Num num to her tum tum. Look at that. She's all excited now. Got to go spin some web.